Who doesn't want to save taxes? I have a system for you so you can save taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. Let's start off with three very simple questions. Number one, do you want to leave a legacy for future generations? Number two, do you want to save taxes year after year, generations after generations? And number three, do you want to learn the secret of the rich? I hope you answered yes to all three questions. If you did, you're in the right location. My name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of thetrustisyou.com in a free class on the Great Discovery with my name, www.sallygimmon.com. I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, entrepreneurs, franchisee owners, and 1099 income earners. If you're an insurance agent, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a digital marketer, you are a 1099 income earner. How they can save at least 90% on their federal income taxes yearly, and in 43 states no longer pay state income taxes with the Spendthrift Trust. This is not taught in schools. This is not taught in universities. I spent 5 months researching the Spendthrift Trust before I started both my business and beneficial Spendthrift Trust, and I dedicate this site just to the business trust. So, to give you an idea, you would save, 7 states don't have state income taxes, but you would still save federal income taxes. When you go out to my free class on the Great Discovery, again, www.sallygimmon.com, you will get a 23-minute presentation, 3 articles from Forbes magazine, 2 pages of case law to prove that this has gone through the Supreme Court, and a chart showing if you are making $80,000 gross single, how much you will save in all 50 states. Guess what? 5 figures. Who doesn't want to save 5 figures in taxes every single year? You pay for the trust once, and it goes from generation to generation. So let me give you a little bit of information about this. The Spendthrift Trust, comes from England way back when King Henry VIII, that famous king who chopped off his wives' heads, started the Church of England so he could divorce his wives. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England. They went further back in history to the Magna Carta and said, no, King Henry VIII, you can't do this. It's contract law that came from England to the colonies while we were still part of England. Our current tax code went into effect February of 1913, 111 years ago, and the only thing that has happened is it's grown bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Back in February of 1913, the super rich families, the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, the Kennedys, made sure they could save taxes. Well, guess what? If they can save taxes, we can save taxes. The law firm I work on behalf of was started by Paul Benson, a Harvard law professor who wrote 5 specific trusts to save specific taxes. You are not tax-free. The business trust is going to save at least 90% on your federal income taxes, and you will no longer pay state income taxes. I personally, in 2022 and 2023, only paid 8% and saved 92% on my federal income taxes and didn't pay North Carolina state income taxes. I'm not trying to crow. I'm just showing you how much it's going to work with you. Now, I usually work with business brokers because they have my ideal customers. People who are selling their businesses, you'll have to pay capital gains on your profits. That's the beneficial trust. The beneficial trust is for all investors. The beneficial trust will save you capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, and royalty income taxes. And then when the business broker is selling the business and someone buys it, the person who buys it is going to have federal income taxes. So today's example is a client. The client reached out to me. He was selling his HVAC company. He and his wife started the company back in 1979. They started on a kitchen table just outside of Atlanta, Georgia. They have 12 trucks. They sold it, and we had to talk to his business broker to tell him to change the paperwork. The business broker, just use first names, Mike, was like, "What the heck are y'all doing?" And I said he's going to save capital gains. He sold the business for $3 million, and the client saved at 15% $450,000, and at 20% $600,000. Mike, the business broker, is like, "This is amazing. I've never heard of the Spendthrift Trust." He bought the business trust for himself because he gets paid in 1099 income. Well, the gentleman who was buying the HVAC company, I told Mike, I have a JV agreement. If you tell the gentleman who's buying the HVAC company, he can save federal and state income taxes. That's what he did. The gentleman who bought the company, we're going to call him Oscar. He bought the company, and with the information that was given to him, we are going to save him. And I'm cheating because I have to read this off of everything. We're going to save him and his family $240,634 per year. Per month, that's an extra $20,052 per month. Oscar's like, this is amazing. Guess what Oscar did? Oscar has told 4 more friends who are business owners about the Spendthrift Trust. And now Oscar also got my JV agreement and gets paid for doing that. This money that he is saving, the $20,052 per month, he can put back into the business. He could pay off his mortgage. He could buy a new vehicle. He can take his family on vacation. He could give to charity, or he could save for retirement. Oscar is sending me more and more business. Mike is sending me more business. It's an amazing thing. So let me tell you a little bit about the law firm. Paul Rosen was a Harvard law professor. Now it's his grandson and great-grandson who run the law firm. The name has changed, but they have the copyright on the Benson Financial Trust. In 76 years, not a single trust has ever been audited. One trust back in 2018 was examined by a senior IRS agent, and he signed off on it. The law firm is so confident about this, all of the trusts that they have, they will give you a certification saying if you get questioned by the IRS, they will defend you free of charge, because it's happened only one time. I want to teach this information to as many people as possible because, unfortunately, small businesses in the United States don't get to learn what the super rich people know. The Amazons of the world get free land in Long Island. My brother's brewery lost its lease because the owner wanted to raise the rents and they couldn't afford it. That's not fair. So if you would like to get more information, I'm inviting you to please go to my free class on the Great Discovery, www.sallygimmon.com. There you'll get a lot of information, and then set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. I will take you out to NerdWallet, a free website to show you how to formulate federal income taxes. And then if you're in a state with state income taxes, we go to, where do we go to? I just forgot where we would go to. We go to Foresters because because when you have the Spendthrift Trust, you will file a 1041 tax return. Forrester's website automatically takes out all the deductibles. We don't want that because we want to give you the gross numbers, how much you'll be saving. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new today and have a wonderful week. Take care. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new today and have a wonderful week. Take care. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new today and have a wonderful week. Take care. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new today